In today's journey, we rise from the ashes like a phoenix. I mean, what better way to celebrate a third anniversary? And we should have filmed this in 30 FPS. Missed opportunity. A non-missed opportunity is that those are zombie killer waffles. True story. And although we haven't been uploading a lot of videos lately, doesn't mean we haven't been working behind the scenes. For example, we've been redesigning the entire studio. Although that's been basically putting out one fire after another. But anyone who's lived through 2020 knows what we're talking about, especially when it comes to finding an excuse for failure. But that's what's great about a trial by fire. You might get burned, but you'll learn real quick. And with all that coming to an end, it's not all dooms and glooms, as we have a pile of projects to do, recipes to brew, and products to review, and that way we do. Let us know in the comments if there's anything you wanted to learn or know more about. And never forget that perspective is the other half of the battle. And the way we see it, we're going to start uploading videos every other Friday from now on. At least until we find ourselves back in the groove. As burnout from juggling so many projects in the past has led us to trouble before. Just like how that candle on the right is supposed to be blue, but I don't really see it. However, if you've made it this far into the video, and you're one of our original 557 subscribers, we just wanted to give you a big thank you. Regardless of whether you're a real person or a bot. Till next time, keep on brewing.